The moon is the only natural satellite of the Earth and revolves around it. People know it does not has its own light and reflects the light of the sun. But the moon is much more than what normally we assume it to be. Let's find out more about the moon. The moon, that luminous celestial companion we see gracing our night skies, has captivated human imagination for centuries. Its mysterious allure has led to lunar exploration, scientific studies, and an array of myths and legends. In this comprehensive guide, we'll dive into the captivating world of the moon, uncovering lunar facts, its role in history, and the marvels of lunar science. By the end of this article, you'll gain a deep understanding of this enigmatic orb that has left an indelible mark on our collective consciousness. Moon possesses a mass of approximately 7.34 into 10 raised to 22 kilograms and a diameter of about 3,474 kilometers. This makes it about 1/6 the size of Earth and considerably less massive. The average distance between the Moon and Earth is approximately 384,400 kilometers. Allowing it to exert a significant influence on our planet's tides due to its gravitational pull. The Moon's journey around Earth takes roughly 27.3 days, which is why we observe different phases of the Moon during a month-long lunar cycle. The Moon's ever-changing appearance, known as its phases, have fascinated humanity for generations. As the Moon orbits Earth, its illuminated side faces different angles, resulting in the well-known phases: new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, and third quarter. These phases have inspired poetry, art, and even cultural celebrations. But Moon's most distinctive features is its surface, adorned with countless craters. The Moon's surface is a rugged and fascinating terrain, dotted with vast plains, towering mountains, and deep craters. These craters are the result of a long history of impacts by meteoroids, asteroids, and comets. When these space objects collide with the Moon's surface at high speeds, they create depressions in the lunar terrain. Over time, these craters accumulate and form a unique topography. Some of the larger and more prominent craters, like Tycho and Copernicus, have become prominent features visible from Earth. Moon craters are fascinating scientific windows into the Moon's history and the dynamics of our solar system. The energy released during these impacts can be immense, creating shock waves that reshape the lunar crust and ejecting debris, which can form secondary craters. Additionally, the impact can expose underlying layers of rock and minerals, giving scientists a glimpse into the Moon's geological past. But what about Moon's gravity? Moon's gravity is weaker than Earth's. Delving deeper into lunar surface, we find that the Moon's core is smaller and less dense than Earth's. Its core is believed to be composed of iron and nickel. Despite its smaller size, the Moon exerts a gravitational pull on Earth, causing tides in our oceans. This gravitational interaction has played a pivotal role in shaping Earth's environment over millions of years. Interestingly, the Moon's gravity is not uniform across its surface due to variations in its density and topography. The side of the Moon facing Earth, known as the near side, and the side hidden from view, known as the far side, experience gravitational interactions with our planet differently. Despite its smaller size, the Moon exerts a gravitational pull on Earth, causing tides in our oceans. This gravitational interaction has played a pivotal role in shaping Earth's environment over millions of years. While the Moon lacks a substantial atmosphere compared to Earth, it does possess an exceedingly thin and tenuous exosphere. This fragile envelope is comprised of trace amounts of gases, including helium, neon, and hydrogen, among others. Unlike Earth's atmosphere, which offers protection and sustenance, the Moon's exosphere is an almost vacuum-like expanse that is constantly influenced by solar radiation and the solar wind. Despite its scant presence, the Moon's exosphere holds vital clues about the dynamics of interactions between the solar wind and the lunar surface. offering a unique opportunity for scientific exploration and insights into the broader understanding of celestial bodies' interactions with their surrounding environment. Many times common folks wonder, what is the moon made of? The moon primarily consists of rock and metal, with its surface dominated by a type of rock called basalt. Scientific research suggests that the moon formed from debris ejected during a massive collision between a young Earth and a Mars-sized body. This impact ejected material into space, which eventually coalesced to form our moon. But what about lunar mysteries and research? While we've made significant strides in understanding the moon, mysteries still abound. The moon's origin, the presence of water ice in its polar regions, and the nature of its magnetic field continue to intrigue scientists. Ongoing research, often involving lunar missions and advanced telescopes, aims to unveil these secrets and provide a deeper understanding of our cosmic neighbor. Now let's talk about some important space missions on the moon conducted by different countries and how they ended. United States, Apollo missions. Perhaps the most iconic lunar missions come from the United States Apollo program. Beginning with Apollo 11 in 1969, the program achieved the historic feat of landing humans on the lunar surface for the first time. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin's footsteps on the moon marked a giant leap for humanity. Subsequent Apollo missions continued to explore the moon, conducting scientific experiments, collecting samples, and enhancing our knowledge of lunar geology. Soviet Union/Russia, Lunar missions. The Soviet Union, later succeeded by Russia, also made significant contributions to lunar exploration through its Lunar missions. The Luna program, launched in the late 1950s, aimed to achieve milestones such as impacting the moon, orbiting it, and even sending robotic landers. Luna 2, launched in 1959, became the first human-made object to reach the lunar surface. Subsequent missions, like Luna 16 and Luna 24, successfully retrieved lunar soil samples and returned them to Earth. Latest mission to the moon by Russia is Luna 25 in 2023, at 11:57 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated on August 19, 2023. Luna 25 crash landed on the moon's surface due to the malfunctioning. India, Chandrayaan missions. India's space agency, ISRO, launched its Chandrayaan program to explore the moon's surface and atmosphere. Chandrayaan-1, launched in 2008, discovered water molecules on the lunar surface. Chandrayaan-2, launched in 2019, aimed for a soft landing on the moon's south pole, although the lander lost communication during descent. This mission was considered as a part success, as the orbiter performed its task for many years. Chandrayaan-3, launched on July 14, 2023, is the latest moon mission by India. On August 23, 2023, India's Chandrayaan-3 successfully landed on the moon's south pole, becoming the first nation to achieve this. It is expected that this important milestone will help laying the foundation for future manned stations on the moon. As, in the earlier Chandrayaan mission, frozen water was discovered on the moon's south pole. European Space Agency, SMART-1. The European Space Agency, ESA, embarked on its own lunar mission with SMART-1, launched in 2004. SMART-1 employed innovative ion propulsion technology to reach the moon and conduct scientific experiments. While its primary mission was to study the moon's composition and topography, SMART-1 also provided crucial data on space propulsion techniques. China missions. China's lunar exploration program, named after the mythical Chinese moon goddess Chang'e, has rapidly advanced in recent years. Only limited verifiable information is available on the Chinese mission. Chang'e 3 was launched in 2013. Subsequent missions, like Chang'e 4 and Chang'e 5, will be focused on lunar geology and sample return. International collaborations, Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, LRO, is a NASA mission launched in 2009 to conduct detailed mapping of the moon's surface. While led by NASA, the mission involved contributions from several international partners. LRO's high-resolution images and data have significantly contributed to our understanding of lunar geology and potential landing sites for future missions. Human settlements on the Moon, Artemis Program. The Artemis program, led by NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration, aims to land the first woman and the next man on the Moon and establish sustainable human exploration. This program builds upon the legacy of the Apollo missions and focuses on creating a sustainable presence on the lunar surface. The program aims to accomplish this through a series of missions, including Artemis I, an uncrewed flight test of the Space Launch System and the Orion spacecraft, Artemis II, the first crewed mission of Orion, and Artemis III, the mission that will return humans to the lunar surface. Establishing lunar settlements could also serve as stepping stones for further interplanetary exploration, offering a platform for scientific research, resource utilization, and technological innovation. Challenges, such as the Moon's harsh environment, low gravity, and radiation exposure, necessitate innovative solutions in areas such as habitat design, food supply, life support systems, and resource management. Artemis also involves the establishment of the Lunar Gateway, a space station that will orbit the Moon and serve as a staging point for lunar missions. Taking cues from the India's Chandrayaan program, this gateway will provide a platform to serve as a base for lunar exploration, including missions to the Moon's south pole. Now these are proven facts, but just like the Moon revolves around the Earth, there are many conspiracies which revolves around the Moon. The Moon, a celestial object that has been a source of inspiration and curiosity for millennia, has also become a canvas for conspiracy theories that challenge established scientific understanding. These theories, often fueled by skepticism, misinformation, and a healthy dose of imagination, have captured the attention of many. In this segment, we delve into some of the most notable lunar conspiracy theories, examining their origins, claims, and the scientific realities that provide a counterbalance. However, we at Academic Block encourage our viewers to only trust the factual information and not such theories. There are also many mythological beliefs which religious folks associate with the Moon. In every great civilization, there are gods and goddesses who are worshipped with zeal and faith. The Moon, with its mesmerizing presence in the night sky, has been a source of inspiration for countless cultures throughout history. Greek, Indian, and Roman civilizations each wove intricate myths and stories around the Moon, endowing it with significance, symbolism, and a touch of magic. Let's embark on a journey through the rich tapestry of lunar mythology in these ancient cultures. While Indians worship the Chandara and Sam, who symbolize purity, beauty, and tranquility, the Greeks' belief in the moon goddess Selene and Artemis. While goddess Selene is connected to the calm and romantic aspect of the Moon, Artemis is the related to hunting and the Moon. She is believed to be the protector of young women, and Moon's cyclic nature represents the different phases of womanhood. In Roman mythology, Moon is associated with goddesses Luna and Diana. Just like Greek beliefs, goddess Luna is connected to the luminous and gentle aspect of the Moon, whereas goddess Diana is associated with the mystery and wildness. Across the ancient civilizations, the Moon's symbolism varies while retaining themes of purity, transformation, and the ebb and flow of life. Its influence on human emotions, the tides, and the natural world has led to the Moon's integration into narratives of love, mystery, and cycles of existence. The Moon's waxing and waning, its changing phases, and its ethereal light have fascinated and inspired generations, infusing the night sky with an otherworldly beauty that transcends time. We hope you will find this information on the Moon useful and interesting. At Academic Block, we try to present you well-researched articles. Please comment below. Your suggestions and criticism help us in improving our videos. Thanks for watching our video. We will be back with another interesting video pretty soon. Till then, take care.